Here's a neat one that might be fun to do during the holiday season. Take a regular deck of cards, shuffle it, have a spectator select a card, any card that they want. Let's say they picked that one right there. Look at it, remember it. Don't show me, okay? I'm gonna place it inside the deck, lose it somewhere in the middle. All right, I'll even cut the cards a few times, give the cards a nice shuffle. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this nice piece of ribbon and wrap it around the deck, just like so. Okay, now I'm gonna change angles and I'll show you the finale. Red deck wrapped in red ribbon. Drop it down. All the cards fall except for one card still attached to the ribbon. The 3 of hearts. Was that your card? All right, before I tell you how to do the trick, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comments. It's kind of self-explanatory. All it is just getting a piece of ribbon, which is, plentiful around the holidays, and then just getting a little piece of double-sided tape, double sticky tape, whatever you want to call it. Just get a little piece and just tape it at the end, one end of the ribbon, okay? And so that's what makes the card stick to the ribbon. It holds it, and then you can roll up the ribbon from the other end around your hand, and that way you have the sticky end as the first end when you wrap the card, okay? So, and then you want the sticky end kind of facing out. So have that, that's your setup. Just a little piece of double stick tape. Now, what you need to do is you have it's a regular deck of cards. The spectator picks a card. You need to get the card to the top of the deck. And so all I did was just, put it in the middle. When I push it in, I push down on the card with my thumb and then just keep pushing in. And that'll give you kind of an automatic break, okay? Seen this move before. The automatic break, the card's here. You can hold it with your palm of your hand. And then I just do a double cut off the top stack. This is the card, and now it's on top, okay? So you get the card to the top. You can shuffle as long as you keep the card on top, okay? And then just grab the ribbon, and then you just hold it, push, the double sticky tape side down on the card. You hold it with your thumb, and then you can just wrap the ribbon around the cards, and the rest is just holding the piece of ribbon, and then you drop the cards, and then when you drop it from, standing up, it'll hold on to one card, the 3 of hearts, to select the top card, and all the rest of the cards will fall. Okay, it's pretty easy to do. It's just called red tape. It's nice and simple. It's a different way of revealing a card, because you see the cards fall down, and then you fall on the floor except for one, and their selected card. Okay, let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Till next time.